Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about how we can use Google Gemini and also Google VEO 3 for making videos. You can upload them into your social media accounts like Instagram and TikTok, and you can get millions of views because this is the thing that is trending in these days now. So first of all, you have to access this system from using a VPN. Okay, so you need a VPN. So first of all, we are going to install a VPN. The best one that I personally use is Setup VPN because it's a free VPN, and the purpose of this VPN is you have to access the student free subscription by the help of like API from US. So that's why we are using this VPN service. Otherwise, because it's not released in most of the countries, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you have to install this VPN. So I have already installed this in my system. So when you are doing it, you have to add it in the Chrome. When you are signed in, and then you have to open it, and you have to click here like this, and it will show you this button, and then you have to click on start the connection, and then you have to choose the United States. So it will connect it for you, and you can also check that whether it's working or not. So you can click here IP lookup, and it will show you your IP address, that whether you are connected with an IP from United States or not. So you can see right now my IP address is from United States. Okay, so when it's done, so then you have to close it, and after that you have to open this link. I will also paste this link into the description of this YouTube video so that you can also access it. Okay, so then you can come here, you can open this specific link, because from this link you are going to have the access of this Gemini Pro and also Google VEO 3 model for about 1 year, completely free of cost. Okay, so when you are here, then you can click on this, create an account for my personal use, and then you are going to type your name. For example, we are going to John Morgan, just a dummy name in this case. And then when you are done, you can enter the date of birth. For example, we are going to include 19th of June 1990, and the gender is, for example, it's male. And then it will process it for you. For example, then you have to choose the username. For example, this is John Morgan 987@gmail.com, for example, and then you have to enter the password. Okay, and then in this case you can have a phone number, okay, because you are making a new account, so you need the phone number. If you are going to use an older account, then they have some caches issues, so the account will not be working in that case. So what I suggest is you can make a new account. So now you need a new phone number, so you can go on search and click on the search, type receive free SMS US number. Okay, so you can have like multiple websites who offer these kind of different scenarios where you can put the number and you're going to receive an SMS, and then it's gonna work for you. So like for example, we can take this one. So you can see somebody is this is an active number because the last message is 12 seconds ago, and also so whenever you are using this service, make sure that you can check, because most of the websites says 1 year ago or 6 months ago, so those numbers are actually not working. Okay, so when it's done, you can copy this number and paste it here, and when it's done, you can simply process the registration. You can simply proceed with the registration process. Okay, so when you're done with the registration, then you have to come on this link, which is one.google.com. I will also paste this link in my description and click on get student offer. So when you will click on get student offer, it will show you the Google Gemini page. Okay, so it will show you this page. So right now you can see is here it's 2.5 and 2.5 Pro, and these are also working as expected. And you can also see here that I can access the Pro version. And if you go on here in Google Apps, and you can see here, you can see Google One. So when you will click on Google One, you can see that here I have the access of 2 terabytes, and also the Gemini Pro is available here, and other models are also available. So now we are going to access the Flow, which is a very beautiful model in which you can generate the videos like HD videos. So I will paste this link in my description. So you have to go on labs.google/flow.about, and then here you can see you will have this page, and you can click on create with Flow. Okay, and then you must be logged in into this browser with the same email ID. So then you can click on get started, and you can click on sign in with Google. Okay, so you can see it's now we have this Pro version, and it's loading right now. Okay, then you can click on new project. These are the videos that I have generated yesterday. So you can see these are pretty well. You can generate the video for 8 seconds in Google VEO 3, and after that here you can select the models. Like you can see here we are going to select VEO 1, and then we are going to select here the VEO 3, and then we are going to use the very simple prompt to generate a new video. And then you can see it's working. You have to wait for like a few seconds because it takes almost like 30 to 40 seconds to make a video for you. And you can also have different options. At a time you can generate 7 or 8 clips, and it's not that bad. And it's right now the people are earning thousands of dollars using this VEO 3 model. Like you can see here, you can check the quality of the video. It's almost like you can download it here using 4K, so it's pretty amazing. Here you go. You can see the beautiful video that it is going to generate. Okay, so you can see okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to ask. You can use this method in all over the world. It doesn't matter from whichever country you are from. You can simply use this method and just make the good content and upload it on TikTok and other social media platforms. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.